Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and your device. Make sure the battery is at least 20% or give it 10 minutes in the charger. This prevents mid-setup cutoffs. Turn the Jabra on by pressing the power button for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED flashes. On your phone or computer, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, and toggle it on. Once done, keep the Bluetooth screen visible. You need it to accept the incoming pairing from the headset. Now you pair the devices. Put the Jabra into pairing mode by holding the Bluetooth or multifunction button until the LED alternates colors. This signals discovery mode. On your phone or PC, watch the available devices list and tap the Jabra name when it appears. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or confirm the prompt. Once paired, make sure to select the appropriate audio profile, hands-free or headset for calls, media for music, because that determines microphone and playback routing. Finish by verifying audio and settings. Play a short audio clip, then place a quick test call so you confirm both playback and microphone functionality. This ensures volume levels and mic placement are correct. If sound is low, adjust microphone sensitivity and output volume in your device's audio settings and move the mic boom closer to your mouth for clarity. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the Jabra by holding power plus volume for 5 to 10 seconds. Then repeat pairing. That usually clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.